欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说。
And if any of you acts up, so help me, I will call Santa and I will tell him you want socks for Christmas. And if any of you acts up,
然后你们有谁调皮的话？然后你们有谁调皮的话？
so help me,
我保证
I will call Santa.
我一定给圣诞老人打个电话。我一定给圣诞老人打个电话。
And I will tell him you want socks for Christmas.
说你们圣诞节就想要袜子而已。说你们圣诞节就想要袜子而已。我们先来学一下生词。然后你们有谁调皮的话？然后 In Chinese, to continue naming the next action, we use 然后。你们有谁 We'll look at this structure a bit more later with examples. 有谁调皮的话 Again, we'll look at this structure a bit more later with examples. 我保证我保证 This obviously is a translation at the conceptual level to convey the sentiment. A word-for-word conversion would not have made sense. 我一定给圣诞老人打个电话。我一定给 The word 给 has a widely used meaning, which is to give, but here it is used as a preposition. We'll look at this function a bit later with more examples. 圣诞老人老人打个电话打个电话说你们圣诞节就想要袜子而已。说你们圣诞节 We have seen previously that Christmas was referred to by 圣诞. Today we see 圣诞节. One is usually used as a descriptive word describing anything related to Christmas. The other is just a name given to a specific holiday. 就想要袜子而已 For English speaker, we can tell that socks for Christmas is not very much of a Christmas present. So in Chinese, to reflect this sentiment, you need to say 就想要袜子而已 Simply want socks. This is the only way to ensure that the Chinese speakers can pick up the idea that socks for Christmas is not very much of a something to look forward to. 有谁 something 的话 if someone does something. 有谁调皮的话 if anyone acts up. 有谁想去的话if anyone wants to go. 有谁没来的话 if anyone did not show up. 有谁不愿意的话 if anyone is unwilling. 给 someone do something for or to someone. This is a very typical structure in Chinese. with this structure, you basically just move the for or to someone to the front. So you get to emphasize for whom that something is done for or to. 给圣诞老人打电话 call Santa. So here she emphasized the importance of the person to whom she's going to make the call. 给他送去 have it delivered to him. Have it done for him. 给你买了 already purchased for you. 给我们弄丢了 We lost it. It was us who is responsible for its disappearance. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
You willing to risk that? Okay. Let's get this over with.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。